Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Teamgate to Twilio for automated lead handoff, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Teamgate account. Navigate to the settings section on the left sidebar. Select the integrations option from the list. Scroll down to find Twilio in the integrations list. Click on the Twilio logo to access the integration setup. You will be prompted to enter your Twilio account credentials. Open a new tab and log into your Twilio account. Locate your account SID and auth token from the Twilio dashboard. Copy the account SID and return to Teamgate. Paste the account SID into the designated field in Teamgate. Next, go back to Twilio and copy your auth token. Return to Teamgate and paste the auth token into the corresponding field. Once both credentials are entered, click on the Connect button. Wait for Teamgate to confirm the connection with Twilio. Now, proceed to configure the lead handoff settings. Select the lead handoff tab within the Twilio integration settings. Choose the criteria for automatic lead assignment based on your requirements. For example, decide whether leads should be assigned based on region, team, or priority. Enter the phone number or messaging service from Twilio that will handle the leads. Set up any additional parameters for how leads will be processed. Click Save to store your lead handoff configurations. Test the integration to ensure leads are being transferred correctly. You can do this by creating a test lead in Teamgate. Monitor the Twilio dashboard to see if the lead appears as expected. If the lead does not appear, revisit your settings for troubleshooting. Adjust any configurations as needed until the integration works smoothly. Finally, document the setup process for future reference. You have now successfully connected Teamgate to Twilio for automated lead handoff. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.